Hi, fellow YouTubers. Here's a 1 week update working on the man cave. We got the Ring doorbell system hooked up, which means we had to install the Wi-Fi connection. We put an antenna on my brother's house and an antenna on my house. So now we have a audio-visual panel set up for the Wi-Fi so that the Ring doorbell works. And then we also did some other internet stuff, which you'll see at the end. We put a Orbi system in from my place, but then we were able to get the bedroom and bathroom walls and the closet wall frame downstairs, so that's done. And then we got the ceiling put in the downstairs bathroom and the exhaust fan, which you'll see at the end of this recording. And then you'll also notice that the very last thing we got done was the upstairs bathroom. So that's pretty much it. We did get some shingling done. I've done about 2/3 of the roof, but it's been so hot, decided to take a break this Sunday, and we'll press on it again next week, but should get it done. We're about 2/3 of the way. We can only work about 3 hours in the morning on it. Anyway, hope you enjoy the updates, and we'll see you next week. Have a great night or a great day. Bye.